Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Ashton. I'm the CEO of Active Solutions, where we make enterprise solutions attainable for small businesses. I'm going to be touching on a topic, a pretty hot topic, possibly the hottest, and it goes into lead quality. So when we're running ads to an offer, if we're not able to convert or we're not able to book appointments, one of the first things that everybody will blame is the quality of the leads, and 99.9% of the time, it is not so. First of all, if you are running what's called a cold booking funnel, where on the ad you're saying, hey, this is our offer. If you are interested, go ahead and sign up. It's definitely not going to be a lead quality issue. The only time it might be is if you're running a digital value funnel, which is if you're providing a PDF to somebody and then you're trying to sell them later on, or you're providing like a webinar or a video where you're telling them they're going to get all the information they want in that video, but then really it's just a VSL to get them to book a call. So these type of bait and switch situations can bring in lower quality leads, but if you're like, hey, this is my offer, sign up to book a call below, and people opt into that, most of the time it's not going to be the quality of the lead. So we're going to have fun with a scenario really quick. And we're gonna say we had two ads. So we have ad number one, which is just letting anybody in the front door. And we have ad number two, where we're financially qualifying a little bit harder. Because a lot of times, if we're bringing in lower quality leads, we always want to financially qualify people before they come in, because we want nothing but people that have money to opt into our ads. Let's take scenario one. Everybody's coming in here. Let's say we have like a $5 cost per lead scenario going on here. And then let's say we qualify a little bit harder, and because we're financially qualifying a little bit harder, $65 leads, right? Because we have a really tough question on the forum, which is what a lot of people want to do, but they don't realize that we're going to get significantly less volume because of this. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you're running an ad that financially qualifies harder, you're not making people with money magically appear. The same people that opt into this ad are also going to opt in to the ad that financially qualifies less, right? The only difference here is that you're getting only financially qualified people here. And in this one, you're getting a mix of one, people who are financially qualified, two, people who maybe they need to kick the tire a little bit, have a conversation and be persuaded, and then they would buy. And then you're getting the lower quality leads that actually don't have any money or can't afford your service or just aren't the right fit. So if you jump straight to financially qualifying harder, you're actually missing out on people that you otherwise could have sold if you would have let them in the front door. Maybe they just needed to have a conversation with them. So the reason why this is relevant, the majority of the people that want to be hard financial qualifiers are the people that have monthly budgets somewhere close to $500 a month or less. And if you have this small of a budget, beggars cannot be choosers. If you have a small budget and you're hard financially qualifying, it might take you forever to actually get your first person to pay you. When you're extending the time horizon on this, it's gonna make you feel like it's not working and you're gonna continue to change things over and over and over again, right? So what we need to do if we have a smaller monthly budget is let everybody in the front door. Are you gonna have more unqualified people? 100%. But then that gives you more opportunities to have conversations with people, increase your skill level, and sell people that otherwise could have been sold if you did it hard financially qualifying on the front end.